Hello, I hope everyone can see me. I am at my favorite place today. Just leaving the post office, if you guys can see that. I was at the post office and hey Lenore, I just wanted to let you guys know that we will have, hey Patrick, we'll be having our live webinar tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hey L'Oreal. And I would like for everyone to be able to register and sign up for this webinar, okay? And not only that, what I want to do is open up some packages I got some packages, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and open up these packages here sitting on my seat. These are the packages that I had that came in. And I'm going to just say congratulations to everyone that got started. I normally don't do the webinars from my car, but sometimes it happens that way. I like to change it up because I'm always in the office, and actually today is really nice weather. It was kind of chilly this morning, but it's now a bit calmer. So what I want to do is take this jacket off first because I'm hot. Hey Mona. Guys, don't forget tomorrow is the webinar, and what I want to do is go over some of the things that people are missing when it comes to direct mail marketing, and that's what we're going to discuss. But not only that, we're going to discuss how to fix it, because it's a really simple fix, guys. And not only that, I'm going to talk about how to get to $3,000 to $5,000 per month with direct mail marketing. Hey Monica. Hey Kathy. Hey Joel, thanks for tuning in. If everybody can just let me know where they're coming from. And not only that, if it's a replay, please put in the comment section #replay. Okay? So Lenore, yes, I did receive yours here. I'm going to open it up. Thanks so much for the card. Thank you. That's so nice. I love when people put that little touch to it. It says, thank you for your patience and amazing leadership from Lenore. Thank you so much. Lenore came in. Oh, so cute. The book of stamps. Guys, Sesame Street. I used to love them as kids when I was a kid. Lenore came in at the Emerald level, which is a total of $65 and one book of stamps. So here's the $65. Thanks so much for joining the team. Glad to have you aboard. So that's from Lenore. We have one that came in from Terry. Terry, I have your stuff. Guys, make sure if I call your name that you send me the information for your cover letter. Okay. Hey Heather, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for tuning in, Jeremy. Hey Ron, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey Eric, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Yes, we are having a webinar tomorrow. I will have the information in the comment section so that you guys can register for tomorrow's webinar, which will be 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So this came from Terry. Terry, I received your payment. Terry came in at the Emerald level, which is a total of $65. So here's another 65 bucks, one book of stamps. Thanks so much, Terry. Glad to have you a part of the team. Please make sure to send me your information. Okay, so this one I opened up early because I needed some cash because I was getting some work done on my car. My car window is messed up, so I had to take care of that. But here's two books of stamps. Sesame Street again. And this came in from three books of stamps. This came in from, let's see here. Okay, this is from Florentino. He had actually sent in $400, but I have two left. I went and paid for my car to get fixed. So, Florentino, I have your stuff. Congratulations. Thanks for getting started. Glad to have you a part of the team. Hey, Safi. Okay, we have another payment that came in. Well, this person Derat. I think she played online, but she sent in her paperwork. Daria, I'm sorry. This came in from Daria. Daria already sent me her payment online. So she put in her information and she's all set to go. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. We have another payment that came in. See what we have. Good morning, Chris. Hey, Lloyd. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Emma. Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, we have a payment that came in from Barbara at the Emerald level. So here's another $65, 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Wow, everybody wants to call once I'm on my live. Yes, Eric, I'm just using impact leads only. Hey, Robert. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Mary. Thanks so much for tuning in. So I have another payment that came in. And this came in from Lori. Lori, thanks so much. Lori came in at the lowest level. This was a pass up from my sponsor. $20, 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much, Lori. Glad to have you a part of the team. So we have another payment that came in. And this came in from John. John Paul, I got your payment and your stamps. Sent in 2 books of stamps and $100. John, thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Then we have one from Fernand. Fernand, I have your package. So Fernand came in at the Emerald level. I'm sorry, the Ruby level. And this was a pass up from a team member. So I got $50 and 2 books of stamps. Fernand, thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. We have another payment that came in. Oh, this is so cute. Thanks to you, I'm doing a little happy dance. Hey, April. April, I need you to inbox me. This came in from Mona, total of $50. Thanks so much. 2 books of stamps and a card. Glad to have you a part of the team. That was from someone that joined her. She sent the payment on her behalf. I appreciate that, Mona. Thanks for helping her out. Teamwork makes the dream work. Hey, Casey. Hey, Nell. Morning, Casey. Hey, Jay. Okay, this came in from Valerie. Valerie, I received your payment. Valerie came in at the Emerald level, $65, 1 book of stamps. Hey, Michelle, good morning. Okay, we only got a few more left, guys. I'm almost there. Here's another one. Yep, I visit my favorite place today, the post office. One of my favorite places. I do got another spot I like to go to, but that's another story because I like to eat, right? I know we all got that one famous spot where we love to go eat. I know I do. Okay, this came in from Shanae. Shanae came in at the Sapphire level. $300, guys. Shanae, I got your stuff. Thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. Here's 2 books of stamps. Yeah, I got another one here, guys, from Billy. Hey, Preston. Hey, Julian, thanks so much for tuning in. Yes. Hey, Barbara, thanks for tuning in. Good morning, Jay. This came in from Billy. Let's see what level he came in at. Billy came in at the emerald level. Total of $65, 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, we got a payment in from Jerry. Jerry, I received your payment. Jerry came in at the emerald level. Got a lot of emeralds today. That's not normal. But I guess it happens like that sometimes. $65 payment, 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. And last but not least, hey, Sunny. Hey, Jackie. Hey, Vince. Hey, Denise. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, let's see what we have here. This payment came in from Dana. Dana, I have your payment. $100. 2 books of stamps. Glad to have you a part of the team. So I want to say thank you to everyone that sent in payments that is a part of this great opportunity. Hope to see you guys on the webinar, which will be tomorrow at 11 a.m. Eastern. You don't want to miss it, okay? If you are thinking about direct mail, or you are already a part of direct mail, I have a special treat for you guys, okay? So if you want the information that I'm going to give to you guys, you have to tune in for the webinar tomorrow, okay? And again, I will have that information in the description below. Well, the comment section below. So thanks again. I hope everyone is going to really enjoy their weekend. Stay inspired. If I can do it, anybody can do it. You know, it's so easy to make up excuses, right? It's so easy to say why you can't do it. But if you really focus on why you can, and focus on what you need in order to be successful with direct mail marketing or your online business, it is possible. What I notice is that so many people come up with excuses why they can't do it. But if you really focus on what it takes to make it happen, you will find success with direct mail marketing, with online marketing, whatever it is. You just have to be willing to learn, apply what you learn, and stay consistent. Okay? Hey, China. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, Cheryl. Thanks for tuning in. So I just want to leave you guys with that information. I will have the information in the comment section, and you guys have a great weekend.